Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna film a very chill talking video with you. This is gonna be all about what planning brought to my life. How my life changed after I started using a planner, or rather, how will using a planner change your life? If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Gamze, and Successful Living, this channel, is the channel where I talk about success, motivation, planning, and personal transformation. So if those are topics that you're also interested in, make sure you subscribe and join this YouTube family. And if you're not new here, you probably know I am a planner addict, and there are so many reasons why I use a planner. I made a lot of planning related videos on this channel, but I've never talked about why you should use a planner or how it will change your life. So let me go through the notes I took in my planner and kickstart this video. Number one, you know, when you go to school one morning, one of your friends asks you, did you do the homework? And you're like, what homework? Yeah, we've all been there. Or you go to work and you realize there's a meeting that you were supposed to prepare some report, some analysis, something that you completely forgot about, right? You know what I'm talking about. That doesn't happen to me anymore. And if you start using a planner, or if you start planning your days, it will not happen to you anymore as well, because you will be making notes, you'll be writing them down in your planner, and you will never be caught unprepared. Number two, planning will bring you closer to your goals. Dog life. You know what they say, until your goals are planned in, they're just dreams or nice wishes or, dreams. For example, this video, until I booked the time to film it, until I put the filming part of this video in my planner and the editing part of this video in my planner, this video was just an idea. But when I planned it, it became something real, and here, you're watching it. Of course, this is a very small example, but it applies to all of your goals in life. You should be taking your goals seriously. Sit down, break them down into actionable steps, and then put those actionable steps in your planner. Plan those actions, and this is basically it. I told you about this before, but there's a freebie if you're interested down in the description below. It is all about goal planning. I'm just saying, it's for free. If you want it, it's there. Number three, planning will help you manage your time. Much better than anything else, in my opinion. Because if you don't plan anything, you probably think something like, oh, I should have a haircut tomorrow, or I should paint my nails today. It could be a very basic task, or it could be a very big, important task, but most likely it will be just one task, because you have to keep them in your brain, and you don't know how much it will take, so you don't say like, I do this, do this, do that. You probably just think about one thing per day, which is not a very efficient use of time, is it? Plus, why would you use all of your brain capacity to store these kind of information while you can use your brain to process stuff? So instead of going home from work or, like chilling, watching Netflix, if you actually have a plan for a day, you will use your time much better, much more efficiently, and you will actually get things done. And especially if you're anything like me, if you have something planned, there is this drive to complete that task. Like, it is down on my planner, I wrote it down, it is there, I should do it, and it is a source of motivation. It's a driver, in my opinion, and it makes you accomplish things. I want to talk about one last thing regarding time management. If you use a planner and write down the task that you want to do per day, per week, whatever, looking back, you will see where you spend most of your time, on what you spend most of your time. And sometimes it's an eye-opener, really. You see that, oh my God, I watched 4 hours of Netflix, or I just scrolled down Instagram for 3 hours, where I could be doing something, let's say about, towards my side hustle business, or towards getting better grades, or towards getting better at my hobby, or whatever. So it will make you realize how you use your time, and in return, it will help you make better decisions. Number four, planning will help you fulfill your house or life responsibilities, especially if you're sharing your apartment, your house with someone else. Those cleanings and taking the garbage out, all that stuff should actually be planned in because they take time. Anything that will take time should be planned in, so you know that you have to do it, you assign the time for it, hence you don't have problems with the people you share the apartment with, or you have always a nice put together environment. A clean, organized, nice environment is not only good for, keeping nice relationships within the house, but it's also great for motivation because nobody, I believe, nobody can focus on something where that is happening around. If you're also someone who is affected by the environment when it comes to concentration, give planning a go. Number 5, planning will be your new source of motivation. How, you ask? You know that feeling when there's a checkbox and you complete that task and then you check off that box, or you cross it off, or whatever you do really. You know that feeling? The satisfaction of completing a task? That's it. That feeling that you get when you cross off things off your planner will motivate you, will push you to do more. Hence, planning gives you motivation. So it goes like this. You plan something, you complete it, you cross it off, you feel good about yourself, it keeps you motivated. When you feel good about yourself, when you feel like you are actually successful, it gives you a better self-confidence. Think about it. Number 6, planning will improve your health. You know all those trackers that entered our lives, I think with bullet journaling, those? The hydration tracker, the weight tracker, the habit tracker, all of those things. Because if you keep track of your health, if you keep track of your measurements, if you keep track of what you eat, if you plan your meals, you will eat better, you will work out more, you will improve your health. I talked about several trackers, how to use them to improve certain areas in our lives, especially regarding health. And I think if you're interested in that, you should check out a playlist I have on my channel called Planmas. I'll leave the link down below in the description. And lastly, 7, planning will make you feel in control, in charge of your life. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't be spontaneous at all, because I am. I like to make spontaneous decisions, but I plan my life to a certain degree, which makes me feel like I control the things that I want to do at a certain time. I'm not just going with the flow with the things that happen around me. I am actually in charge of my time, how I use it, what I do, and I decide how I want to spend my days. And days that you live are your life, basically. So you are, in return, in charge of your own life, which is, I think, a great feeling, especially if you have bigger ambitions in life. From another perspective, I don't want to be an old lady looking back and saying, oh my God, I could have done this, I could have done that. I don't want to have feelings, I don't want to have regrets about the things that I coulda, shoulda, and I didn't, because I didn't plan them in and I was too spontaneous. I was just living the day, I was just chilling and having fun and all that stuff. No, I have a dream, I have plans, I have goals, I want to achieve bigger things in my life. So I'm not just going with the flow and using a planner. So these are the things that planning changed in my life and will change in your life. If you're considering starting a new planner, I think I'm gonna make another video about how to choose the right planner for you, but I also have a lot of planner related videos on my channel. Like I said before, I think I'm rambling. I'm just gonna leave you here. Just a friendly reminder, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!